Today, we're going to bring an enclosure for your iWatch. Now, this one's pretty neat. It has different sizes. If you guys can see, a 44 millimeter. And in here, they give you already additional one in here. You could take it off. It comes with a little, actually like a guitar pick, but this is actually used to remove certain things that you can use your nail. So, and it does have access to all the functions, all the buttons. We're going to set it up. I like that this is made of steel. It's kind of like a stainless steel, more like aluminum base, and then the cover is very protected. So from scratch, it kind of keeps it away from above the glass. If you guys can see that, it's going to be above it, and we're going to set up an iWatch on it and see how well it works. And of course, this is for men or women, but it's very elegant, very easy to install. We're going to set it up on a iWatch and see how it works. All right, check out the watch, guys. Great for outdoors, great for going out. It has stainless steel, very simple to use, and you can actually use all the buttons. They work very well, if you guys can see that. Right now we're on the outside. We're gonna start working out with it, but this is perfect. You don't have to shatter your iWatch. It's protective with the steel all around it, and also water resistance. So when you take it to swimming, you don't have to worry about the band getting rusted or anything like that. Very beautiful design. Take it outdoors, use it anywhere. Hope you guys enjoy the video.